Welcome to Fairyland! I'm Gussie, and today we're going to be turning normal colored flowers cool colored flowers. Have you ever wondered how flowers eat? They don't eat pizza, but instead they have a really cool way that they eat their food.
Capillary action!
If you want to see how this works in front of your very own eyes, all you need are some flowers. White flowers, any kind of flower will do. Cute little cups and different colored food colors. Do you want to tell me what colors I have? I don't know if I remember.
Blue!
Oh, you did so good.
Red!
It is red!
Green!
You're right. Great job. You can go to college. You're also going to need some scissors, so you might want to just get a grown-up in for like a minute. The first step is to just cut the stem where you want it. And then you want to take off the leaves. This is strangely very important. I didn't do this the first time and it didn't work. So this is kind of like the magic key. Another thing I learned is that if you leave out the flower for about an hour outside of the water before you put it into the colored water, it makes it much brighter. So try that too. So now that you have your pretty flower with no leaves, you're gonna wanna fill up one of the cups with water.
Now we're adding a little bit of dye, but don't worry, it doesn't hurt the flower. You can't see it yet, but each of the flowers are already starting to suck up the water through the stem. It's kind of like how you drink through a straw. This is called capillary action. The flower using its own teeny tiny tubes inside its stem, just like we use a straw.
Now, unfortunately, we have to wait.
After about 24 hours, the flowers have had a really big drink. The water has traveled all the way up to the tippity top of the petals. Isn't that cool? Thanks so much for hanging out with me and making beautiful flowers in the name of science.